Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to repair and flash your iPhone using 3uTools. Whether you're encountering system errors, want to upgrade or downgrade your iOS system, or simply need to restore your device to factory settings, I'll provide two powerful methods to help you solve these problems. Method 1. Flashing with 3uTools. First, you need to download 3uTools from the official website and install it on your computer. After installation, open the application and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Put your phone into recovery mode. For phones without a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until recovery mode appears. 3uTools will automatically detect that your phone is in recovery mode. Click Go Flash to download the firmware you want. Before proceeding, please be sure to back up your iPhone to avoid data loss due to flashing the device. After the download is complete, click Flash, and 3uTools will automatically flash your phone, which will take some time. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will restart and you'll be all set with a fresh installation of iOS. Any software-related issues you had should now be resolved. Method 2. Using UltFone iOS System Repair. Standard Repair. If you want to repair your iPhone without losing any data, this tool is a good option. The ideal aspect of this option is that it focuses on fixing software-related issues while preserving all your personal data. It works for iPhones stuck on the Apple logo screen, iPhones experiencing infinite reboots, or issues that occur after an iOS update. First, download and install the UltFone iOS System Repair tool on your computer. After installation, launch the application and connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Once the device is recognized, click Enter Recovery Mode on the main page. This is very convenient as it eliminates the need to manually enter recovery mode. Then, click Start Repair, select Standard Repair, and download the necessary firmware. After the download is complete, click Start Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair will automatically restore your firmware. As with 3uTools, it's best to back up your iPhone before starting the repair. However, unlike flashing the ROM, this method will not erase your data, so you don't need to worry about losing any important information. After the process is complete, your phone will restart without any problems. But if your phone's problem persists, you can try Deep Repair, which can resolve deeper system issues. However, please note that this method will reset your phone, so please choose carefully. Okay, that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.